Okay, continuation of the same lesson. So whenever the girl asks, is it day? What the man saying? Yes, I was so excited at that time, packing and saying goodbye to people and thinking about the ship I was waiting to sail on that. I simply forgot all about it. So my aim was to on the ship. So I was thinking about the ship. So I forgotten everything. Like the person saying girl. What the girl asking? She was silent. Considering means the little girl was thinking about the jackfruit, hollow and the iron cross. So when the person said like that, she was silent and thinking about the iron cross. What she was saying? Her fingers on her lip, her gaze fixed on the jackfruit tree. This gazing means looking like the fixedly. She was looking at the jackfruit tree. Then quietly she said, it may still be there in the hollow in the branch. Is it there still? Like the girl asking. Yes, he said. It is 25 years, but it may still be there. I kept 25 years ago. I kept there. Maybe still it was there. Like the man saying. Unless someone else found it. Unless somebody take it. But still it was there only. Would you like to go and look? I can't climb trees anymore. The girl asking, would you like to climb and see the iron cross? No. I never climb the trees. If you can't, I will go and see. If you can't, I will go. I mean, here the girl. I will go and see. You just sit here and wait for me. You sit here, you wait for me. I climb and see whether there was a iron cross or not. Like the girl decided to climb the jackfruit tree. Then she sprang up, jumping up, ran across the grass, swift and sweet of limb. Soon she was in the jackfruit tree. Now she sat on the jackfruit tree. See, this is the girl. She climbed the tree. Crawling along the projecting branch, a warm wind brought little eddies of the dust along the road. Summer was in the air. So though the weather was not good, she wants to satisfy the man who came to the house to know about the jackfruit tree. There was a hollow where the person kept the iron cross was there not. She was so excited one. So she sat there. I have found, she cried. Crying not for the pain, just happy. I found there was a iron cross. I found, and now barefoot means anything. Barefoot means nothing. Nothing was there. Barefoot, bare body, like that we'll say no. That the barefoot, no fruits are there. And she ran breathlessly towards him, in her outstretched hand a rusty old medal. She came down so excitement, and she was stretching the hand, keeping the iron cross towards the man. What the man saying? He took it from her and turned it over on his palm. She took like this. She kept it over the palm. Palm is this is the palm. Is it the iron cross? She asked eagerly. Yes, he said, this is it. Now, I know why you came. You wanted to see if it was still in the tree or not. Why you came to see the iron cross in the hollow or not. You came like that, don't you know? Because she was a young girl, she was a little girl, no? She was talking in a polite manner. You may be right. I am not really sure why I came. Really, I don't know why I came. You may be correct, but I don't know why I came. But you can keep the cross. You found it after all. Okay, you keep, because you found the cross. You keep it like that. The man's giving the iron cross to the little girl. No, you keep it. Is yours? No. No. That's not mine. You keep it. This is yours. No. But it could have remained at the tree for another 25 years if you had not climbed to look for it. So if you want to climb and look, it will be like that another 25 years, like that the man saying. But if you had not come back again on the right day, at the right time, and with the right person, right time, right day, and right person. He said, getting up and placing the medal in her hand and getting up. He used the three words. What is it called? On the right day, right time, and right person. He was getting and keeping the iron cross in the hands of the little girl. It was not the cross I came for, it was my youth. I didn't come for the cross, but I came for the youth. He was looking like a young man. She did not understood, but she walked with him. She walked with him to the gate and stood there gazing after him. She was following the person. She was gazing. She was looking like that only towards the gate. What she find after him as she walked away, where the road turned, he looked back and waved to her. So he was going till the end of the road. He was waving, keeping like this, bye, like that. The man saying to the girl. Then he quickened his step. Then he started fast step, quickened fast steps, and moved briskly. Briskly means quickly toward the bus stop. First he started slowly. After that he walked far and quickly toward the bus stop. There was sweatless in his step, energetic. He was looking like an energetic one, energetic step, and something cried aloud in his heart. So he was fully remembered the old house where he was living there. So he was crying himself. Jackfruit was there, then bench also there, and everything was there. But some changes are there. Gate changed, but whole atmosphere like that was it. He remembered everything about the piano, about the clock, about the grandmother, what she used beside the tree. It was a blessing. What are the things he remembered? And he saw the iron cross. Still it was there only. He felt so happy, and then he went away. Then dark dancing eyes, melon, sweet. She was eating the watermelon, lips, lissome lips. The mango scented a summer breeze made the blood course in his vein, and he forgot for a moment that he could not climb trees anymore. Why? Because why he decided he could not climb the trees? Because he does not know how to climb the trees, but he made the girl to climb the trees and saw the iron cross is there or not. Everything changed, but the iron cross there itself. So he went to his own house, he saw and felt happy. He remembered the past days. He was fully concentrated on the house, the jackfruit, melon, and then water clock, and grandfather was repairing everything like that only. Only gate change, only little changes of the like that. He felt happy by seeing the old house and saw the iron cross and given it to the little girl and went happy and crying not for the pain but happy because his own house like that only. Okay, ma, have you understood, no? Okay, bye.